Hello everybody and welcome to Cars at 100, and today I'm at XS Leasing looking at the brand new CR-V 2018. This is a Honda CR-V, very popular vehicle. I have the keys here, so let's check this car outside and inside. Let's go ahead. As you can see here, this vehicle is fully loaded. As you can see, these LED lights, absolutely beautiful looking LED lights. I like the design of the fog lights as well. Very good surrounds on the bumper everywhere. This car looks really nice, really sharp, very nice Japanese design. Look at these wheels, really nice looking wheels. Reminds me of Ninja's blades that you throw, you know. It's really cool design there. I like this silver metallic type of chrome design, really nice. In a second we're gonna jump inside, but overall the very good dimensions on this car, especially in the city. This car is really good. I understand why these cars are popular, and even though, you know, some people get these cars mostly base models or like halfway loaded, like this double exhaust on this touring version of the car. Very good badging everywhere, CR-V. This is a very big badge for the heritage of this vehicle. CR-V has been around for more than 10-15 years. Perhaps I'm mistaken, correct me in the comment section, but overall it's really nice design on this car, really nice. I wish there was a 360 camera also available on this car. Overall this car looks really sharp, really nice. You have lock, unlock, automatic remote start and hold for trunk release. You have a physical key here inside, you can take it out. A very beautiful logo on the key. There is a grooved edges. You can lock the vehicle, you can unlock by having the you know, touch sensors behind the handle of the door. And look at this design. I mean, the design here is really nice. Lots of plasticky materials, hard plasticky materials. They also look rough, but this vehicle is, for the price that it is, it's a really nice car. But overall, as you can see here, the seats as well, a very nice perforation on the seats. This is a very well loaded touring version of a vehicle, of a CR-V. Very good bolstering on the seats, not that sporty, but at the same time really supportive, and I think this car is going to be comfortable on the longer trips as well. So overall it's really nice and really good looking, especially this wood type of material here. Even though this is plastic, it really looks nice here and really suits this car for you know, for the families that they're gonna buy these cars. It's gonna be really cozy feeling that this wood provides, and very nice for stitching here on the upper side of the doors as well. So overall really nice. I also like this tweeters from the sound system on the doors. Really cool design. So let's jump inside. And as you can see, we are inside this car. Excuse the very brand new type of look on this car. Very good design everywhere. I like this engine start-stop button that pulsates, if you notice, and start this vehicle. And as you can see here, this is a really nicely designed dash up front. This is all digital. Reminds me of a little bit of Civic Type R. Very nicely designed vehicles. These Hondas really accentuate the look and feel of really well designed vehicles. And this infotainment system as well, much better resolution this year. I like how this engine start stop button is in red color. And overall very good feeling on this car. Economy button here. You have a brake hold for parking. You have a hold automatic parking brake here as well with the switch. So just to come back to this center stack infotainment system, is really nicely designed as well. Very good looking screen. You have a volume knob here. People were asking for this volume knob and Honda delivered. You have the automatic climate control for two-way automatic climate control in this car. In terms of the center stack as well, here you have a power outlet here. You have a bin here to store your coins or something else. You have a very good cup holders here, decent size. You have here USB outlets as well. you have two USB outlets. You have one that can charge and one that can transfer the basically information from your cell phone, and you have another power outlet here available to you, so that's really good. This bin middle stack here, middle section storage is really good here. You can put this back and forth to have more storage up top. You have very good storage here that really extends throughout the whole section of the center stack. That's really cool. I haven't seen this before, and that's really useful, I believe, for storing much bigger items than you can actually would have had. So that's really good. It basically sizes of two of my palms. That's really good. But overall, you can also extend this section here for your armrest. That's really good. But in terms of the interior and the steering wheel as well, feels really nice. A couple of things that this car provides to you is the availability of options. Very good in terms of the volume. As you can see, this is basically touch sensitive volume knob. That's really good. You can also use it as a button, so that's really good. That's really intuitive. Very nice job by Honda as well. Very good leather wrapped steering wheel as well. Very good holding to hold in your hand. Really comfortable feel. Overall, you have here also adaptive cruise control on this touring version of the vehicle. That's really good, really useful. So you can also have a lane keep assist here option on the steering wheel as well. Overall, this design is really nice, and in terms of the visibility in this vehicle, it's really good. Actually, the only thing with all these SUVs, small compact SUVs, is the rear quarter panels. You can really see how they are blocked, but at the same time you have those little windows there, and overall that would be useful when you're backing up. But you can also have a backup camera, which is really nice here with the proximity controls, and you can also have it closer. You can have a hitch mount, basically zoom, I think that's what it is. And let's talk about this dash. This dash is really good in terms of the information that is provided to you. You can click by these buttons here on the dash, and that's really nice. Why? Because you have the options here. You can see all the options as I'm going through them. Very good design and very good looking screen, digital screen up front. It's not the same level as the Audi's virtual cockpit, but still really good really good job by Honda. And as you can see here, this is that inline 4 that produces 190 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. Back seat as well. Really comfortable here, really spacious. You wouldn't say this when you look at this vehicle from the outside, but when you jump inside in a back seat, this car is really spacious. I think it's going to be really comfortable for the longer trips as well. It feels cozy here, so that could be the reason why. Also, a very good option here for the USBs. You can charge the USB, you can charge your phone. You can connect here. There is an option for this. In the day and age that we live in right now, in terms of the all accessibility and convenience, this is a very good feature. It's a nice vehicle. Let's check out the trunk space on this car. And just like that, you have an automatic trunk release on this vehicle. And as you can see here, very spacious trunk here in this car, and really well designed car as well. Very good everything in terms of, you can also drop down these seats, really convenient. You have a lot of space here for the small families. That would be really nice car to travel